Hey guys, welcome back. Pablo here, and today we have the Dexnump battery-operated wall sconces. These sconces offer 18 RGB colors and can be controlled via the remote. It has 4 dynamic modes and are completely dimmable. You get a set of 2 and are operated by 3 AA batteries. The sconces have a timer feature which will shut off after 4 hours, but you can set a timer up to 6 hours. 60 lumens of total power and are very easy to install. No wires, just drill a couple of holes into your wall and attach. These are great for bedrooms, hallways, stairways, really anywhere you want to put them. So when you get them, this is the box that they come in. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. So when you first open the box, you have the actual shade that goes over the actual light. Out, put the box aside, and here it is. Everything is rolled up inside of the actual shade, or actual shades, since there's 2. You have a user manual. I'm guessing here is the actual lights or the pucks. Let's open this up. Yeah, this is everything right in here. Not quite sure what this is, but some sort of sticky pad. Let's see what that is. We have a remote, which is black. Kind of like that. Most of these come in white, but I do like this black remote. Again, I don't know what this is. We'll find out. So I have a charging cable. I thought these are powered by AA batteries, but I guess we'll find out. Maybe they're rechargeable batteries that already come with it. I'm not quite sure. So interesting. I took off the cover for the puck, and I can't see the battery. So I'm guessing these are rechargeable and the battery is already inside and you don't have to use AA batteries. Guess we'll have to find that out. Here you have the mounting hardware, actual frames for these sconces. So let's put these together and see what they look like. So here is what the sconce looks like put together. What this is here, it's an adhesive on this side, which you would put the puck onto like that, and then this piece on the other end is magnetic and it goes right in here, and that's what holds the actual puck in place. And then take it off, now you would just pull it right off. So these are a little under 10 inches tall. See, it's about 9 inches, 9 3/4. So it's a nice height, not too big, but also not too small. When I first got them out of the box, I thought they were gonna be a lot smaller than what they are. Okay, so we're gonna attach this to the bottom of the puck here, but before I do that, I do want to at least get these charged up, because what is weird, I'm guessing this is like a newer version of the puck, because like I was saying earlier, it was battery powered. Obviously, it still is battery powered, but a rechargeable battery inside. Because once I put this on, I will not be able to take this cover off. So before I do that, I do want to get these charged, and then we will install them where they're gonna go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the Dexnump wall sconces, and let me know where you would put them. If you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Definitely helps the channel out so much. And if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, anything at all, please put them down in the comment section below. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace. Bye. So far away, can't get it.